Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a stable internet connection and the official Ludo client. Open the app now and grant only required permissions so the game can access network and notifications. Next, create or sign into your account. Use an email or phone you control because you may need verification. Once done, personalize a display name and avatar. This helps friends find you. Make sure notifications are enabled so invites and match requests reach you immediately. You now select how to play: quick match for instant games, or create a private room to control players and rules. Set stakes, move timer, and player count. This affects pacing and competitiveness, so choose deliberately. Once your room is ready, share the code or invite friends via the app. Paste the code into chat or send directly. You can enable voice or text chat, or mute if preferred. Once everyone joins, confirm rules and tap Start to begin the match. You finish by verifying connection quality. Look for the latency or ping indicator and test a short move. High lag will cause missed turns. If a player drops or the app freezes, calmly close and restart the app, then rejoin the private room using the same code. This usually restores the session. If problems persist, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and report the issue with screenshots and the game ID so support can trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.